never seen this before.
No, don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Oh my god, people. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. There's this exit here if you want to get off. I don't know. And obviously go right.
Yeah. It's windy as hell.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And then you're gonna take the I-74 ramp east.
Okay.
Oh,
Damn!
ooh. That's where I saw the first one.
Oh yeah. They have to. This isn't. I feel like we should. Yeah, we need to go.
Yeah. You can go right up here, you can go back there, depending on what you want.
God damn.
That's the craziest shit I've seen.
Well, yeah,
Yeah, me too.
Bruce, they wouldn't allow this.
Jesus Christ! Is it recording?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Let me save it up. Holy shit.
Yeah. What? Yeah, yep.
Ooh, look at that
Oh,
shelf!
baby.
Oh! Yeah!
That one?
Yep.
Yeah, baby, that's what I've been waiting for.
Oh, man! Oh, that's so cool.
Oh shit.
We need to get east, but that's
We
so
do.
cool. You know what that's called?
Huh.
That's the whale's mouth. You want to know why it's called the whale's mouth?
Why?
Because you don't want to be in the whale's mouth.
Yeah. Alright, so coming up here,